Hello friends, in my previous sessions I was explaining you the different levels of the certificate, degree and other courses, where I was explaining you in a very progressive certificate and degree courses like 10th, 12th and in the graduations you have heard the B.Tech and then BSc, BE, etc. Now today I have taken the domain specific discussion, that is biotechnology. Biotechnology is a very specialized domain that has been taken by the entire world academia. How this biotechnology is being a meaningful platform for the technocrats. Specifically, if you see, this is very much itself, it is signifying bio and technology, means the technology, those are very much dealing with the biological system. So this biological system is very complicated system. Of course it is very sensitive system because we are working with the biological system. So that is why it is offering a broad kind of the approaches, how it is being understood at the biological level, at the abiological level. So in this particular topic, you have to understand before joining this biotechnology program at any level. You talk about the BSc, you talk about the B.Tech, you talk about BE. These are all graduate program being offered in a very specialized manner for the students under the BSc, B.Tech or BE. Whatsoever you are doing, it is giving you very destined pathways, destined curricula, so that at the end of the degree where you will be absorbed, in which situation you will be, so that accordingly you will find. I was giving you the introduction of this biotechnology. This biotechnology is being understood basically in two ways, means biologically and abiologically. I'm just giving you the kind of the simple analysis or simple emphasis. What do you mean by biologically? Means the students, those are coming with the biological background, as well as being the biological students, how it is solving, how it is, you can say, giving the emphasis on the system level. That is biological background. Abiologically means in spite of having different abiological background. For example, if you are coming from other domain, other engineering domain, for example, let's say B.Tech in electrical engineering, B.Tech in mechanical engineering, even BSc in physics, BSc in chemistry, BSc in mathematics, statistics, then how these two become a very complementary to each other. That is very much important, and that is giving you a sense of multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary or transdisciplinary. So these words nowadays being very much peculiar or very much demanding: trans, inter, as well as the multi. You please try to understand these important thing. Students have to understand this one is very important part before joining the biotechnology program. How academicians are explaining biotechnology with the advent of the contemporary research and technology, research and development. So if you are very much monotonous or very much simple and doing a very solving a very simple problem, then you are staying only in the biological domain, then of course you will be awarded simple BSc degree, Bachelor in Sciences or Bachelor of Sciences honors, BSc honors. But if your curricula is very much transdisciplinary, interdisciplinary, then certainly you are in this category, BTech, BE, because these two are very much governed by the AICTE, and AICTE is giving you the technical informations and graduating you towards the specific goal, that is the bio complemented with the technological information, wherein I have given you different examples how this becomes trans and the inter. At the same time, I'm not saying this particular BSc or BSc honors or MSc is not allowing you to do the interdisciplinary or the transdisciplinary. So that is why I'm just giving you the stepwise informations. In the ancient era or in the past 10 years back, 20 years back, people were very much monotonous and having the limitations of the technology. They had very limited exposures, and that is why curricula was not allowing you to cross the limits or the boundary to understand the other, you can say, wanting things. That is much needed. But now situations are different. Entire world is hunting towards the solutions and looking for the solutions for so many burning problems, and that is why a particular course is not being understood for a particular degree and thus certificate or the diploma. I have been saying the same thing repeatedly, that you please understand the particular course not for your degree obtaining approaches. Just understand how this biotechnology is a viable technological platform solving the, you can say, mankind and their problems. That is why now this is the need of era, a need of hour to shake the hands with the different background people. So that is why now our course curricula, whether you are in the BSc or in the BTech or in the BE or in the MS, everywhere the courses are very much, you can say, being developed and being framed in a such a way where students are given multi-dimensional, you can say, exposures. That is why this biotechnology becomes a very significant platform and attracting young aspirants to join, and not limiting anyone to join this program. Anyone, even biotechnology program is possible for the biological students also. Like if you are having mathematics background, if you are having chemistry background, physics background, so that is why in your transcript, if you are having any set of the, you can say, subjects, you can choose biotechnology. So now I hope this one is very clear for the young aspirants, those are planning to opt biotechnology program at the level of undergrad, that is BSc or BTech or BE. Now you need to understand why BTech is 4-year course, why BE is 4-year course, and why BSc is 3-year course. Because still certain universities are offering BSc or 3 years, but BTech 4 years, BE 4 years still. But now we are realizing NEP, National Education Policy 2020, and within this umbrella, now this BSc honors 3 years is now being scrapped, and now it is going towards the 4 years. This BSc 4 years now. So now it is signifying now this BSc is also very much equivalent to the BTech and BE. But again, there are certain differences between this BSc and BTech, because this one is explaining you the foundation level of the information at the graduation level, and very much is, you can say, designed for the scientific core concept in the science. And this one is also living the science, but realizing the science, but it is very much towards the implementation side, that is called technology, because industry is very much based on this technological implementation. So this B is also very much equivalent, because it is very much nowadays being very much silent. Everywhere now people are offering B.Tech, Bachelor in Technology, right? So I hope this one is very much clear now. So I'm just bringing you towards the basic information at the university level. Those are offering BSc, BTech and BE in biotechnology. So hopefully I am clear with this, that BSc, whether you are planning for BSc in biotechnology, anybody can join. Whether you have science, physics, chemistry, biology, or if you have physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, or if you have physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, or if you don't have biology, even though you can join biotechnology program. So that curricula I will refer you. You can explore the specific course curricula of the specific university, because university is now also just offering their signature, you can say, degree program. Signature means how it is very much brilliant from others. That is why, because now entire academia is competing each other, and if they will not compete, then they cannot, you can say, reach the best in the knowledge. So that is why it is very much clear. Now come to this point, why without biology you can understand biotechnology, because ultimately you are implementing the technology in the biological system. That is why in the first sem and the second sem of the BTech program, university has designed their curricula very interestingly, because it is just giving you the knowledge at the foundation level, just like biomolecules, biochemistry, cell biology, basic introductory biology. So nothing to worry. It means the first sem and second sem are very much destined for the bridging course. So, and again, you will be having the basket of the courses. It is up to you how and when you will obtain this kind of the informatory tool, so that your basic knowledge, you can say, will be helpful to understand the biological system, right? Though it's the subject name is biotechnology, so entire technology will be very much revolving around this nucleus, that is bio, right? Because this bio is a very huge, complicated and the very sensitive, you can say, world. And now I would like to bring you, and I would like to explain you what are the specificity, what are the you can say subjects those are being taught in the biotechnology program. And of course we do have the different levels. So for example, just for the sake of the understanding, I'm just making this kind of the circle. This is bio, and if you are standing here, you are standing here at the outside peripheral level, that is very much introductory. It is very much introductory. It means you have to understand the ABCD level of the information before joining the and before reaching in the mid of the biotechnology. That's why initially I told you, you have to be graduated in the foundation level of the courses, that is biomolecules, that is cell biology, that is introductory biology, plant system biology, animal system biology. So these are the, you can say, with the specific credit course, you have to earn your credit in the foundation level of the courses. That is very important. That is first year. It means there are two sem, first sem and the second sem. So And along with that, with these, you have to, if you are joining biotechnology program without mathematics and without means physics, chemistry, then certainly you have the elementary level of the prerequisites, that is chemistry, physics, math, stats. These subjects are for biological students and these subjects are for biological students. It means the sections will be segregated as per the demand of the courses, because both of them are approaching the same thing, biotechnology, right? So students those are coming from the non-mathematical background are supposed to earn these credits from these particular courses, and students those are coming from the biological sides, they need to earn this. That is why these two segments, bio and technology, but at the end you both are being together and solving the same problem, means the problem associated with the biologia. Hope you are clear now. Next point, this is the second year program. So now you are approximating your approach with your approaches towards the biotechnology. Now you are being graduated, you are being very much advanced now. So now you have to understand all the subjects slowly in the biotechnology program. For example, biotechnology is meant for drugs, biotechnology is meant for pharma, biotechnology is meant for genetic engineering. These are all specific platforms or specific domains under the broad theme of the biotechnology. Similarly, you are approaching, and now these are common. At this level, you were categorized in two ways. Now you are coming together and understanding these two things. Several subjects are there under this biotechnology program in the second year, right? Like drugs, like pharmaceuticals, like nutraceuticals, genetic engineering, molecular biology, biochemistry, advanced cell biology, etc. So many courses. Physiology, animal and plant, physiology, biochemistry, advanced biochemistry, drug designing, bioinformatics. So many things are being offered. Under this particular credit based choices, you have to opt and you have to earn the specific number of the credits. That is very much defined at the university level based on the semester progression, right? So this one is now coming. Similarly, now you are joining third semester. Now in this third semester, between second and third, now you will be given the practical exposures, industrial exposures, where you will see the real-time challenges, real-time analysis. That is why whatsoever subjects you are being taught, of course, they are very much complementary with the practical you can say labs or laboratories. Of course, universities or institutions those are offering BSc biotechnology, or BTech biotechnology, they are having modern state laboratories, and they are following the international guidelines, so that our students will be given the exposures in a very three-dimensional manner. So nothing should be left out before entering the third semesters. So we do have the, you can say, national institutions are having, universities are having national, international level of the collaborations as per the, of course, benchmarking system of the, or credential system of the government of India or any government of countries. So based on these things, you have to understand how you will be given the exposures to the industries also. So university will promote you towards the industry sides, towards the rich medical colleges, rich pharmaceutical industries, so that you will understand whatever I am earning or credits or learning the subjects, they have the direct implications into day-to-day research program, day-to-day demands of the society, even in the agricultural sides, even in the medicinal sides, so even in the clinical research sides. So these are the different subjects. Those are giving you the theoretical knowledge at the primary level as well as at the advanced level, so that you will be groomed accordingly, and you will now in position to specify your dissertation program, your research program at the final semester and the final year, eighth sem, right? And then seventh and eighth sem will be offering you the lab-based program, that is dissertations, and of course you will be guided by the specialized teachers. Those will play the role of model mentors, and these mentors will guide you how you will be filtered for your specific interest, so that at the end you will be in position to claim any employment or any your individual ventureship or any higher education. So today I have just tried my level best to give you the kind of the roadmap how you will prepare yourself for the biotechnology program, and depending upon your interest, depending upon your feasibility, how you will opt BSc or BSc honors, BTech or BE. Now these three programs are very much, you can say, helpful for your dream, how I will join biotechnology, and at the end how I will realize the implications. So in the next session I will explain you a specific topic under this biotechnology program, and that will be quite challenging, and how you will be prepared yourself to attempt the challenges. So for today's this session, I hope it will be quite meaningful for you, and if you like, then you please do subscribe it and give me the feedback, so that I can unfurl the other programs under this biotechnology. Thank you so much.